In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media buttons in CapCut PC. If you want to remind your viewers to subscribe or follow your profiles with a polished, animated icon graphic, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. CapCut on PC includes a built-in library of ready-made social media graphics, so you do not need to create these elements from scratch. That makes the process fast, clean, and beginner-friendly. To get started, move your mouse to the top left area of the CapCut interface and click on the Stickers tab. This is where CapCut stores graphic elements you can place on top of your video. Once the Stickers panel opens, look over to the category list on the left-hand side. Scroll down through the available options until you find the category labeled Social Media, then click on it. This will filter the sticker library so you only see social-themed buttons, icons, and call-to-action graphics. Now it's time to bring one of those graphics into your project. In the main grid, browse through the available options and find the social media logo or button style you want to use. When you see the one you want, click the blue plus icon in its corner. As soon as you do that, CapCut will automatically place that sticker into your edit. You'll see a yellow sticker block appear on your timeline, usually on track 2, above your main recording. That positioning is important because it allows the social graphic to overlay on top of your video rather than replace it. Next, you'll want to adjust the size and placement so it looks professional and doesn't distract from your main content. Click once on the yellow social icon block in the timeline to select it. Then move up to the preview window in the center of the screen. You should see a bounding box around the sticker. Grab one of the blue corner handles and drag inward to scale the sticker down evenly. Using a corner handle helps keep the proportions consistent, so the icon doesn't become stretched or distorted. Once the size looks right, click and hold inside the bounding box and drag the social media button into a corner of the screen. This is usually the cleanest placement, especially if you want your main tutorial, presentation, or spreadsheet content to remain fully visible. A corner placement keeps the graphic noticeable without covering important information. And that's it. You've used the sticker panel, opened the social media category, added a graphic to the timeline, and resized and positioned it for a clean final look. You're all set. Done.